Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. Today, I'm going to show you how to log into Cupid account. So keep watching the video till the end and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Press the bell icon and never miss another update from us. Start by going to your web browser first, and as soon as you do that, type in cupid.com. Hit the enter on your keyboard and you'll end up in the official website of Cupid. If you don't have an account yet, then you can sign up for a free account by filling out your information in the box and click on join now in order to create one. But in today's tutorial episode, let's log into our account by clicking on the login button at the upper right. To log in, you'll need to enter your email or your mobile number and your password. Make sure to type it correct. On the next field, enter your password. Make sure to type it correct as well. In order to get into your account, you'll need to enter your password correct, so make sure it is. In case you forgot the password, you can reset your password by clicking on Forgot Password and follow the instructions. Soon after you're done entering your credentials, click on the login button, wait for a few seconds, and just like that, you can see that you have been logged into Cupid. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.